are enrolled for this type of workshop, then we just have a, yes, my voice is clear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please continue,
Yes,
sir.
sir. When our name came for this workshop, then we are in a mess that what we will do, how we will learn from this much of the distance. But as the time passes, madam, it is the Srinivasan sir effort that everything we are very clearly getting and making many worksheets and H5P interactive videos and other PPT videos and other each assignments, and I have just shared it with our 12th class students. They are very highly motivated to do these type of activities. So thanks a lot to Srinivasa sir, and now I am able to do a lot much more to improve my online teaching, ma'am. And this is the I if in one word I can say the boon of COVID. It is a boon of COVID that we came into the guidance of Srinivasan sir, and he guided this much of very good softwares which are freely available, and we are highly making our teaching and learning processes very much interesting now, and we are feeling just we are ahead from our other colleagues. We are now highly motivated, and we will do the best of things for our all the students. So, and thanks for the Srinivasan sir. And Srinivasan sir, if any type of this program, whenever you are arranging, if any voluntary participation is from your side is required, I will be available always for attending your these type of interactive courses online. So please make me enter in that type of courses, sir. So again, I thanks our commissioner madam and our assistant commissioner sir and our resource person Srinivasan sir. Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Shailendra Kumar Giri. I think you have proved that always Kendra Vidyalaya teachers will take advantage of any situation when they come in their way, and they will always rise to the occasion. Thank you, sir. I think let me call upon Mrs. K. Parameshwari, PGT English from Kendra Vidyalaya, Kanker. Madam, please.
Good afternoon, everybody. Honorable Deputy Commissioner Madam, KVS RO Raipur, respected Shri D. Venkateshwarlu Sir, Assistant Commissioner of KVS RO Raipur, and Shri Srinivasan Sir, Training Associate of KVS Mumbai, and all my dear colleagues. I heartily thank KVS for initiating an online course on designing e-resources for equipping teachers at the need of the hour. I'm also thankful for giving me an opportunity to deliver my impressions after the 9 days of online e-resources course. This training session, sir, has exposed me to refresh my knowledge in the use of ICT in teaching, learning, transaction. I could refresh the basic concepts of PowerPoint presentations, certain applications which I was not using, like inserting text box, developed my confidence in recording the slideshows. Our hot potatoes were baked long back, but never was felt it as so important in exercising the students as they didn't have an access to technology aided learning. It was always felt that paper and pen made students learn better. Now at the need of the hour to track students in productive learning pool than outside games, these e-learning tools would support the teachers and the students in bridging the gap of learning as feared by most of us. The new concepts like H5P was quite interesting as I was longing for an interactive slide presentation or an interactive video. The various operations like fill in the blanks, drag and drop, interactive videos, slide presentation has taken us to the real level of reaching the students through the right use of ICT in the online classes dealt by me. So to speak the truth, for the past 3 months, I had been doing online teaching, but it happened to be one-way transaction, and except for Google form testing pattern, I was not aware of any other variety of exercises. And now I feel that with these exercises that you have trained me, my classes will be more interesting. So it is indeed great for exposing me and training me in this platform of interactive online classes, resources resources which would really make the students of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan retain the competitive level. I'm thankful to my principal, Shri Bhop Singh sir, Shri D. Venkateshwarlu sir, and my Deputy Commissioner, Madam, for forwarding my name to attend this online training course. As a part of KVS, I would recommend this training program to reach every teacher of KVS to equip themselves to do an exemplary work in their teaching learning transaction. Sir, I look forward for a global interactive platform for students and teachers of KVS to update and equip ourselves with the latest technology and blend it with education. Once again, I thank personally Shri M. Srinivasan sir of KVS Z at Mumbai for teaching the simple and complicated concepts in a more simpler way that every teacher could have learnt it without any difficulty. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you, madam. We hope that whatever our aim, it has been achieved. I request Mr. Aditya Mishra, TGT Mathematics from Kendriya Vidyalaya Jagragand. Sir?
जी सर जी
Yes, sir.
परमादरणीय उपायुक्त महोदय, केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन क्षेत्रीय कार्यालय रायपुर एवं आदरणीय वेंकटेश्वरलू सर, असिस्टेंट कमिश्नर एवं ट्रेनिंग एसोसिएट श्रीनिवासन सर तथा सभी साथी शिक्षक सभी को शुभ संध्या। मैं आदित्य कुमार मिश्रा केंद्रीय विद्यालय SCCL झारखंड में वर्तमान में TGT गणित के पद पर कार्यरत हूँ। केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन में नवागंतुक होने के नाते ये मेरा प्रथम प्रशिक्षण है। साथ ही श्रीनिवासन सर के द्वारा भेजे गए असाइनमेंट से छात्र जीवन का पुनः आभास हुआ और मुझ जैसे नव आगंतुकों को कई नई बातें सिखा गया, जैसे ऑनलाइन असेसमेंट, गूगल फॉर्म द्वारा इंटरेक्टिव वीडियोस बनाना, पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन इत्यादि इत्यादि। जब 9 दिवस का ये प्रशिक्षण कार्यक्रम आरंभ हुआ था तो मुझे लगा था कि ये सारी बातें तो मुझे आती हैं, लेकिन फिर भी ये सारा भ्रम मेरा टूटा कि नहीं, इनको कैसे जो है मैं अपने टीचिंग लर्निंग प्रोसेस में, टीचिंग ट्रांजेक्शन में मैं कैसे यूज कर पाऊंगा। इसको जो है वेंकटेश्वर सर ने श्रीनिवासन सर ने इसको एक नई दिशा दी और उन्होंने ये हमें जताया कि शिक्षण ही एकमात्र ऐसा पेशा है जिसमें हमें अपने ज्ञान को अद्यतन करना रहता है। और
आदित्य
जी मैम,
कैन यू टर्न ऑन योर वीडियो फॉर अ मिनट?
यस मैम। जी मैम, प्रणाम।
हाँ बोलो।
हाँ जी, तो इसके लिए मैं आपका बहुत बहुत हृदय से आभारी हूँ आपका मैम, जिन्होंने आपने मुझे मौका दिया इस ट्रेनिंग सेशन में आने का, और वेंकटेश्वर सर को भी धन्यवाद, और साथ ही श्रीनिवासन सर को जिन्होंने इतने आसान भाषा में हम सभी को छोटे छोटे वीडियोस के माध्यम से सिखाया और ये भी बताया कि कैसे बहुत लंबे सेशन ना हो करके किस तरीके से हम छोटे छोटे सेशन में बच्चों के साथ इंटरेक्शन करके और उनके कंफ्यूजन्स को आसानी से दूर कर सकते हैं। तो इसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मैम, आपका भी और सर का भी। इसके साथ अपनी बात धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Mr. Aditya. Now I call Mr. Nand Kishore from PGT Computer Science from Kendriya Vidyalaya Kanker. Mr. Nand Kishore.
Good evening to all. Honorable DC Madam KVS RO Raipur, respected resource person M. Srinivasan sir, and my dear co-participant. Today I am privileged and honored to speak before you at the end of this workshop. First of all, I would like to express my deep thanks to the director JIT Mumbai to organize such a wonderful online course for teachers. I also thank Mr. Srinivasan sir for wonderful video lectures. During this past 9 days, we have generated a wealth of information and experience in this workshop. We are now able to bring this to our online classes. As I joined workshop to learn new things, and this workshop meet my expectation. I learned many new things like H5P, which I never heard about that, and also refer refresh my previous knowledge about quiz and assignments. In this COVID-19 situation, this workshop is very useful for all the teachers for smooth conduct of teaching learning process. And once again, I would like to extend my deep gratitude towards DC Madam to nominate us for this course, and also thanks resource person Srinivasan sir for a wonderful video lecture for us. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Nandakishore. Thank you very much, all the participants. Because of your encouragement only, we are able to finish it in a correct time. And thank you very much for giving feedback also. Now, this program, it is planned in a nice manner by our Honorable Director, sir. Whenever I started it, he told that the first rule in giving training is you have to give whatever the idea you are giving, it should be in the form of digestible chunks. That is the first rule in training actually. For we tried our level best to cut it into so many pieces of videos which will not run more than 10 or 12 minutes or 15 minutes. For I hope that all of you have enjoyed it. We hope to just continue this type of training and ideas so that it will reach all the teachers. Okay, now may I request Honorable Deputy Commissioner Madam of Raipur region to bless the participants and give the valedictory address. Madam, please.
Okay, good evening, everyone. There are some 39 around participants, if I'm not wrong. And it is really great that such kind of training has been agreed upon by ZEET Mumbai. I spoke to Director ZEET Mumbai that we want our teachers to be trained, and he requested that we send the list of the teachers and then they can take a decision. So we asked the schools to send the names of the teachers who they feel require training. So they, as per the names forwarded, we received some 200 plus names. So we were we requested ZEET that how to do this. Then they said, okay, they will do it in 5 phases. So now listening to you, I realize that actually all our teachers need this training. So what I will tell the training associate also, Mr. Srinivasan, to identify such teachers and give me the names that we can further cascade. And all of you, I hope I am audible to everyone. All of you must train your friends in your school, whatever you learn, because your learning will become stronger when you teach others. As it is true for your subject teaching, when you teach the students, you learn more. You become sure of the concepts are clearer to you when you teach. Best form of learning is teaching. So you also pass on this knowledge. Don't keep the knowledge to yourself. The best way to increase the knowledge is to share it. So you further pass on to the teachers, because ZEET cannot be doing all the time for all teachers. Some 1,000 plus teachers we have. As I was doing a staff meeting just before this, I was talking to staff of KV1 Raipur. So they are facing difficulty in conducting the whatever difficulties you facing, same difficulties they are also facing. So what I will tell you is that you further pass on this, whatever you have learned, to your friends in your school. So really, I'm happy that you people have learned something and you are finding it. It is not only, I mean, it is a motivation also. It definitely increases the confidence, and with increase in confidence, you are motivated to do more, because this online learning now at present is here to stay. ये साल तो ऑनलाइन लर्निंग चलेगी, फर्स्ट blended form में हो सकती है, because hopefully children may be able to come to school, but फिर भी blended रहेगा, क्योंकि every child may not be able to turn up to school every day. स्कूल खुलेंगे भी तो हमें बैचेस में बुलाना पड़ेगा बच्चों को, तो ब्लेंडेड लर्निंग होगी, ऑनलाइन प्लस ऑफलाइन दोनों ही होगी. So it acts as a motivation also. And actually I want to tell you that Srinivasan, if I'm not sure if I'm right, that Raipur region is the first one to request such training. और अभी मुझे जहाँ तक मालूम है पूरी कंट्री में केवल रायपुर रीजन के टीचर्स की इस तरह की बेसिक ये जो कुछ फंडामेंटल जो आपको ग्राउंड में आपको समस्याएं आती हैं, those are being addressed. Is it right?
Yes, madam. Raipur is the first one to have it in 5 phases.
5 phases. उससे पहले जीत ने किया था तो
we did it for all the 5 regions. We collected only 8 people from every region.
Only 8 people from every region. So I thought that let us benefit more from ZEET. I requested them, they agreed also. Although they have their own schedule, packed schedule, ये लोग इन सर्विस कोर्स वगैरह इनके पास बहुत काम रहता है. So but they are catering specially to Raipur region's request 200 plus. So we are actually helped in this manner by ZIT. So that's great. And Raipur region के इतने सारे टीचर को इस तरह से ट्रेन किया जा रहा है. This is the only region among 25. आप assess कर लीजिएगा. So because we are concerned, हम जानते हैं कि ग्राउंड पे टीचर्स को सडनली हमने बोला अब आप ऑनलाइन पढ़ाइए. We understand. So that can be only sorted through training. So what I will request all the teachers कि आप अपने स्कूल में further teachers को सिखाइए, अपने principals को बता दीजिए what have you learned and have a training slot the way he has taught you. आप भी आगे सिखाइए. Okay. So I'm really happy क्योंकि यही प्रॉब्लम होती है. बड़ा मोनोटनस नहीं हो सकता. स्टूडेंट इज सिटिंग अलोन, वो घर पे बैठा हुआ तो उठ के चला जाएगा भाई, वीडियो वैसे भी ऑफ है उसका. सो इफ इट इज बोरिंग दे विल स्टॉप कमिंग ऑल्सो, दे विल स्टॉप ज्वाइनिंग द क्लास ऑल्सो, और इफ एट ऑल दे ज्वाइन they may not listen to what is going on in the class. So it has to be interactive, it has to be child centered. So Z director is not here, so I would like to thank him that he agreed to do such training dedicatedly for one region. Mr. Solanki also has joined. He is principal KV Jagarakan, na? Mr. Solanki. Principal Jagarakan. So thank you, Srinivasan.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam.
You made all the effort. And thank सोलंकी जी, अच्छा हुआ आप आ गए हैं, आपके टीचर हैं यहाँ पर.
Sorry for late joining. I was just finishing the APR work, ma'am.
Okay, no, it's no issue. So thank you again. I hope the good work continue, and आगे भी कुछ problem होगा तो they can get in touch with you, right?
Definitely, madam. Definitely, we are always at the receiving end. Okay, thank you, madam, and thank you for your kind words. We are actually planning to, I think Sari is also having a plan. He will discuss with you. We want to select 5 batches, and we will just tell them that how to continue the training, and we will give them all the support. Therefore, I think they will monitor and they will be the mentors in your region. And I have already selected a set of teachers from batch 1 and batch 2. It's based on the work they have selected. And after the 5 batches is over, I will give you a bunch of teachers so that you can allot them then how they can go about it. They will become the moderators or they will become the mentors you can call, so that they can continue their work inside your region. For that,
and before I forget,
yes,
just now I was telling the other teachers also. So all the teachers, mobile से आप नहीं पढ़ा सकते हैं. I would, am I right? I would urge all of you to invest in a laptop or a desktop as soon as possible. At the earliest, and Wi-Fi connection. Am I right?
Yes, madam. Best option. That is the best option.
Mobile से आप नहीं पढ़ा सकते. Honestly, I mean, it can't happen. So अभी all of us are getting very well paid. We are lucky. Private school के teachers को तनख्वाह नहीं मिल रही है, but still they are taking classes. They are not getting paid. Find out, ask any private school teacher. So we are very lucky. We should be grateful and invest in a PC or a desktop as soon as this. Also, you keep tell. First thing you tell when next batch के लिए यही बोलिए.
Okay, madam. Okay, definitely I will tell. Okay, madam.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, madam. Once again, we thank, I think, Assistant Commissioner, sir, from Raipur region also joined. Sir, welcome you, sir. Thank you very much for all your support. And we wish to just to continue with the third batch, fourth batch, and fifth batch also. After all the batches are over, I think madam will be having her own plans to get it continued with all the teachers of your Kendriya Vidyalaya of Raipur region. And thank you very much, madam. And once again, I thank all the participants and madam for giving your valuable time for the validity function. Thank you very much, madam. Thank you, friends. All the best. All the best to everybody. Thank you, friends, everybody. I am closing the meet. Anybody wants to add anything?
Hello, Mr. Mahalingam.
Yes, sir, please.
I'm Principal KV Jhagrakhand.
Okay, sir. Welcome,
I
sir.
just wanted to know whether any WhatsApp group has been found of these trained teachers.
Yes, sir. For every batch, we are having a separate WhatsApp group.
Okay, okay. If you are having any common WhatsApp group, then I also wanted to join this group. So
Achha,
that
now, but actually, for the first batch, for the second batch, separately we are having because their schedule is a little bit different. I am sending the material in the WhatsApp group also every day. Therefore, I am your Jhagrakhand teachers will be in a second group. Maybe I think.
okay,
Is it some more teachers will come in other batch? I don't know. I have to check out.
okay, okay. Thank you, Mr. Mahalingam.
It is my plan. I have. I am creating every WhatsApp group for the batches separately, sir. Just for my convenience.
Okay, okay. Okay, thank you, Mr. Mahalingam.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay, shall we close? Any other teacher wants to add anything? We will close it now.